Hi all. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to look at how to make a comment on a blog post from a teacher's perspective. It's very similar to a student's perspective. The only difference is when a teacher writes a comment, they can decide whether it be private to the student or make it visible to other students, depending on the privacy settings. And also depending on the privacy settings, when a student writes a comment on somebody's blog post, the teacher uh, may have to approve of that comment. Okay, so I always suggest for you to set that in your privacy settings that approval is required for any kind of comment on a blog post. So if we look here, I'm going to press this number 1 here. It says one pending post. So if I click on it, uh, blogging in the classroom. So we're going to click on this. We're going to make a comment on this blog post. So not sure what's going on here. Okay, there we go. So right now, if we look at the top left, it says post is visible to teacher, and the status is published. So this student published this, but they wanted their audience to be the classroom, and I have to approve of that in order for that to occur. So if I click on post is visible to teacher, right now it says pending under classmate. If I click that, then that means that the classmates can actually now view it. I would be sure to look through the blog post, obviously, before you decide to allow these other students or classmates to view the blog post. So I could leave some comments here. I could say, hey, great job. Great job, Angel. I would like you to look at the following few things before publishing, and then you could list them, right? And then so maybe I didn't want to allow all these class members to view it, so post is visible to teacher only now. I could have this, click this edit and make it now, instead of something published, review or draft. So the teacher has a lot of control over the final product before it's actually published. Remember to teach your students how to appropriately comment before allowing them that option.